In today's video, let's talk about how to use Google AI Studios for voice AI. Whether you're just trying to use Google AI Studios for text to voice conversion or trying to generate voice for some promotional purposes, you can easily do that. For this, head over to the Generate Media section, and inside of Explore Models, you'll have the option of Gemini Speech Generation. Now, there are different sections to this and different settings that you can manage. If you're trying to generate voice with multiple speakers, you can also do that. But for this video, let's try out the single speaker mode. Inside of the single speaker mode, you'll have a model setting, which you have the option of increasing or decreasing the temperature. Increasing the temperature allows it to be more creative. Along with this, you can also set the type of voice that you want. You can see the different tone each of the voice has. Depending upon what you need it for, select the voice that you want. And here, either you can do two things. Either you can just add in a text which you want to read out loud, or you can also give in a long prompt so that it can create its own voice. So for example, I've written create a 30-second advertisement script for a new restaurant promotion. Along with this, you can also add in the type of tone that you like and other few details about the instructions. Once you're done, you can hit run. And there you go, your voice now has been generated with the details that you just added in. If the voice does not sound right, you can always change it in the voice section and also reprompt or tweak your prompts however you want them. So that's basically it for this video. That was a short tutorial on the way that you use Google AI Studios for voice AI. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.